Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if you want send text messages on Realme 16. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device, just click and hold side button. After just click and hold side power button and you will see swipe up and restart from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, click on messages app. After click on messages app, click on storage usage. And if you want to fix this problem, clear cache messages app. After clear cache messages app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. After check your internet connection, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so update your software. Click on settings app, click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last option is reset network settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. Go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if want send text messages on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.